Hi, my name is Dayna Newman. I am the Chief Sales and Marketing Officer for United Mail. We are headquartered in Louisville, Kentucky, and we also have a production facility in Cincinnati, Ohio. After spending the morning with Dale and his presentation, my key takeaways are that the financial information that your company is gathering, probably doing a great job. What he armed us with were deeper connections with the data. What can the financial information tell us about what was happening in the company, what is happening in the company, and arm us with the data that will help us to tell the stories of where we want the company to go. And as emerging leaders in this Vistage program, that's a big part of what we're trying to put together and what we're learning. And as Dale said, he's helping us put more more arrows in our quiver. And the arrows that I took away today, some specifics would be, I want to know what the break-even point is so that my sales team can maybe have an influence on what we're able to convert. I want to know more about the contribution margin for each product. We're not doing that, it's much broader than that. Some of those takeaways are specifics that allow me to go back to, I'm on the leadership team, but to other members of the leadership team, ask more detailed questions that's going to give us the information that we need to continue to be successful and continue to thrive as an organization. So thank you, Dale.